This stylish dock and toolbar might just be all you need to make your Windows desktop look outstanding. Thanks to this open source application, you are about to discover the simple steps required for this customization. Let's dive in. We head onto our browser, and here we'll be looking at SeelenUI. I'll be leaving the link in the description. Navigate to the right side here, scroll down, click on latest. Scroll down again. Of all these options, you can choose the one with MSIX at the end of it, or you can go for the setup.exe. I'll be going for this one right here. Click on the setup. So now it's downloaded. I'm going to click on this, or you can head on to the file location and double click on the setup.exe file. You're going to get this info. Don't worry about it. Just select more info and click on run anyway. Yes. Okay. Next. I agree. Click on next. Install. It's going to take a few seconds. Just wait for it. It says installation complete. Go on to next and finish. You have to search for it. Now we're going to type here Seelen. There you have it. Double click on that. So you're going to get this by default. Here we have this dock and we have this toolbar at the top right here. And as we can see here, we have this default wallpaper. So now I'm going to take you to the settings. Navigate to this three dots. Select SeelenUI. First of all, we're going to head on to general. You want to make sure this run on startup is enabled. If you find it disabled, please enable this. This allows this app to launch automatically every time you reboot your computer. Head on to the wallpaper manager, click on that. Just in case you don't like this wallpaper, you can just disable this. Otherwise, go on to wallpapers, click on this icon, select any wallpaper of your choice, click on open, then click on save. So right now, as you can see, we have a whole new wallpaper right here, which is different from the default one. If you want to remove this, you can just click on this delete icon and save. Okay, navigate to resources. And here we have the options right here. We have themes, plugins, widgets, icon packs, wallpapers, and sound packs. If you select themes, under discover more resources, click on this link and you'll be redirected to your default browser. And here we have this vast majority of themes we can use for this application. Okay, first one right here is the wave animation for taskbar. Click on it. Go ahead to download it. If you get this notification, click on this and select enable. If we minimize this, as you can see here, we have this wave animation, which makes this dock look more attractive. Okay, and giving this Mac OS kind of vibes, you can enhance this wave animation by going right here on the settings to wave animations. For this dock item zoom size, we can change it to 100 and select save. Now if you go back to the dock, it's much bigger and even looking better. Okay, if you go onto this dock and taskbar, click on that, we can actually reposition this dock. For instance, if you want this dock to be on the right side, just click on this one right here and select save. Beautiful. The position has been changed. And if you want it to be on the left, you're going to be clicking on this one instead and save it. All right, I want it to be down here, so I'm just going to click on this last one and select save. So there are many other things you can do to this dock. You can change the size of the icons and all that. I'm not going to be talking about that in this video. Proceed to the browser again, navigate to resources to get back to the previous page, click on theme. Another one we can do right here is the round toolbars. Proceed to download, click on that, select enable. Now as we can see, we have this toolbar right at the top here and it's just looking good. Now if you look at this date, it has this transparency effect, translucent to be precise. We have the language here, internet here, a volume right here, the battery usage, and here's the control for your brightness, sound, and microphone. And as you can see here, we have this power button to shut it down, and we have the restart button right here, and sleep and lock as well. That's gonna be all for now, guys. Remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, also drop your comments at the comment section. Have a nice day. Peace out.